Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Chatudvida bhajante mang. Sukritina. Sukritina means pious. Kriti means very expert in acting worldly activities. So, one who are engaged in pious activities, they are called Sukriti. There are two kinds of activities. Impious activities, sinful activities, and pious activities. So, one who goes to pray in the church or in the temple, oh God, give us our daily bread, or God give me some money, or God give me relief from this distress, they are also pious. They are not impious. The impious people, they will never surrender to God, Krishna. Namang duskitunam mudha prapaddante naradha. This class of men, sinful men, rascal, lowest of the mankind, whose knowledge has been taken away by Maya and demon, these classes of men will never surrender to God. Therefore, they are duskritina, impious. So Krishna is pious, but still he wants the family benefit. This is his defect, Arjuna. Family prosperity. He wants to be happy with society, friends, Allah. Therefore he says that Nakankhe Vijayana. This is called Vairag. Sasan Vairag. It is called Smashan Vairag. Smashan Vairag means that in India, the Hindus, they burn the dead body. So relatives take the dead body for burning to the burning ghat. And when the body is burned, everyone present there, for the time being, they become little renounced. Oh, this is the body. We are working for this body. Now it is finished. It is burnt into ashes. So what is the benefit? This kind of vairagya, renouncement is there. But as soon as it comes from the burning ghat, he again begins his activities. In the Shashan, in the burning ghat, he becomes renounced. And as soon as come home, again he is vigorous. How to work, how to get money, how to get money, how to get money. So this kind of vairagya is called Shashan vairagya. It's temporary. He cannot become vairagya. And he says, Nakankhe Vijayan. I don't want victory. I don't want this. This is temporary sentiment. Temporary sentiment. These people, they are attached to family life. They may say like that I don't want this happiness, don't want this very nice position, victory, I don't want. But he wants everything. He wants everything. Because he does not know what is the Shreya. Shreya is Krishna. Actually, when one gets Krishna or Krishna consciousness, then he can say that I don't want this. They will not say that. Why they will say don't want this? Here, what we have got, suppose I have got a kingdom. So, that is my kingdom? No. That is Krishna's kingdom. Because Krishna says, Bhoktaram Jagadavasam Sarvaloka Mahesam. He is the proprietor. I may be his representative. Krishna wants that everyone should be Krishna conscious. So the king's duty is, as representative of Krishna, to make every citizen Krishna conscious. Then he is doing nice duty. And because the monarchs did not do so, therefore now monarchy is abolished everywhere. Say again, the monarchs, where there is monarchy, little at least show of monarchy, just like here in England there is. Actually, if the monarch becomes Krishna conscious, actually becomes representative of Krishna, then the whole face of the kingdom will change. That is required. Our Krishna consciousness movement is for that purpose. We don't very much like the so-called democracy. What is the value of this democracy? All fools and rascals, they vote another fool and rascal and he becomes prime minister and he becomes... just like in so many cases, that is not good for the people. We are not for this so-called democracy because they are not trained. If the king is trained, that was the system of monarchy, just like Yudhishthira Maharaj or Arjuna or anyone, all the kings, Rajarsi, they were called Rajarsi. Imam vivasate yugam praktamanaham abmayam vivasana manobe prabhu manuikha kavibravid evam parampara praptam imam rajarsayo vidu. Rajarsayo. Raja, king means, he is not only king, he is a great rishi, saintly person, just like Maharaj, Yudhishthira or Arjuna. They are saintly person. They are not ordinary these drunkard kings, that I have got so much money, let me drink, and let the dancing of the prostitute. Not like that. They are rishi. Although they are king, they are rishi. That kind of king want. Rajas. Then people will be happy. In Bengali there is a proverb. Rajar pape rajya nashta. Ginni doshe grihastha bhrashta. In grihastha life, in household life, if the wife is not good, then nobody will be happy in that grihastha life, household life. Similarly, in a kingdom, if the king is impious, then everyone will suffer. This is the problem. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,